Hi guys, I am Mohammed Islam and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna discuss about strings in Python. So let's get started. Okay, now you all need to understand that string is one of the most important topic in programming. Okay, not only in Python, string actually is in the all of the programming languages. Okay, this concept is very much popular because if you have to represent anything as text in programming, you have to represent it as a string. Okay, now how can you write a string in Python? Okay, now you see I have opened my Google Colab. I am giving you example over here. You see I have written 2 lines of code over here. You see string can be represented in 2 types in Python. Okay, you can write it as double quotes, which I have written in here. You can write it as a single quotes, which I have written in here. Both are valid. Okay, now you see if I print the first one, print name, what will be the output? It will be the Mohammed, which is my name. Okay, now if I if you see the output of the second variable, it is also showing Mohammed because it is also a valid string, right? Now how can you write multi-line string? Okay, this one single line, right? But how can we write multi-line string? Okay, this example I have given in here. Okay, you see this is the multi-line string. You can write it using 3 double quotes at the beginning and the 3 double quotes and at the ending. Okay, now let's see what if we execute it. Print a, I am printing the variable. You see it is printing the text, that means the string. Okay, now you see why this 3 double quotes is important. Now you see if I give single quotes over here, what will happen? This will throw some error because you see it will only detect the first line, it will not be able to detect the all of the lines. Okay, now if you do the same again, 3 double quotes, the string will be automatically printed. See. Okay, now I want to show you another thing. Okay, suppose you want to search for a specific letter in a specified string. Okay, how can you do that? Suppose I am giving a variable over here, suppose sentence I love my country. Now how can you just print the value I? Okay, this I love my country is the whole string which is stored in sentence variable. Okay, but you want to just print the I, then how can you do that? You can simply write here, print sentence 0. Okay, I will explain it later. Just see this. See, this will result I. Okay, this will result I. Now you have to understand one thing. Okay, this is very important. You see index of a string start with 0. That means this I is located at 0 index. Okay, then there comes the you have to understand the space is also included in the index. Okay, that means this space is the one number of index. This L's index number is 2, O's index number is 3, V's index number is 4. Okay, if I write this, you will see L will be printed. Okay, if I write 3, O will be printed. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means O is located in 3rd index, so O is printed, right? And you have to always remember that strings index will be starting from 0. Okay, not 1, from 0. That's how you can access. Okay, so this was a basic description of strings in Python. Okay, in the upcoming new videos you will be able to see lots of operation using string. Okay, so stay tuned for more update.